Hey everybody, it's Neil and I am headed out on safari soon and I needed some shorts, so I picked up these. These are KPSUN, maybe? Guess that's the brand. But I wanted to get some shorts for for my biking, and I needed some that had some good pockets and stuff. So this one here has a zippered pocket, so if I put stuff in it, my wallet, my phone, whatever, I'm not going to lose them. And it's got a pocket here too. These are decent sized ones. They go all the way down. I can fit my whole hand in it, so that's nice. So it's got pockets on both sides. This one here has a little flip up, easy to access Velcro one, so that's actually nice too. And then I got size medium. I'm about 172 pounds. But then let's check out the inside here. So it's got some good padding to it. So it's got nice padding. I don't know if it's gel or just padding, but it feels nice. So hopefully that will keep my butt nice and comfortable. I'll show you what these look like on. So hold on one second. Let me stick these things on my body. Here, let me close this up. Okay. Okay, so this is me wearing them here. So I would normally be wearing it with a biking shirt, but you can see it fits pretty good. Nice bungee's gonna stay up. The pockets are easy to get to, so the zipper works really good, which is very nice because I had some cheapy shorts with no good zipper. Got those. Got comfortable. I can feel it all in here. And my butt, my sit bones will be nice and comfortable in these. So that's pretty cool. So these are nice. So these are it. They're comfortable. They have the little spandex on the inside. I'm not going to show you guys my whole body, but there you go. So it's got the spandex, so don't need to wear underpants or whatever. It's kind of got them built in, although I do have mine on now. I haven't washed them yet, but these are them. So these are very comfortable. So I like them. These are pretty comfortable to just walk around in all day even. So you might even wear these in the afternoons. I wish it had a zip out padding, but probably will change, I guess, because of that. But these are cool. I like them. Thumbs up. Links in the description. Like this video. Subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with some more reviews soon.